Faby here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. So Nykaa Independence Sale is going on and there is up to 40% discount on some of my favorite makeup, skincare and hair products. So today I'm going to create a look for Independence Day, and through my makeup I'm going to show you all what I love about my country and its diverse culture. So I've used some of my top picks from the Nykaa Independence Sale today to create this look. So stay tuned as I take you through this tutorial. I always start off by prepping my skin. So first I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. I'll take 3 to 4 drops and then gently pat it onto my skin. And on top of the serum, I'll be applying L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Day Cream. I just love the texture of this cream. It just glides on so smoothly onto my skin. Next up is foundation, and for that I'm going to apply Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in shade Warm Sand. This is one of my favorite foundation. As the name says, hydrating, it gives me that flawless looking, well hydrated base, and it's perfect for everyday use. So if you are searching something for everyday basis, then I would highly recommend you guys this foundation. Once done blending my foundation, I'm going to cream contour my face according to my face shape. So I have a square face, so I like to cream contour below my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, and I totally avoid jawline because this is my personal thing. Whenever I contour my jawline, I feel like my face look more squarish. Next, I'm taking Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in shade 150 and I'm going to highlight my face. And once done blending, I'm going to seal it with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Pro Artist Genius Kit. First, I'm going to draw the shape of my eyebrows and then fill it in. This brow kit is the best match as a color in this brow kit matches my hair color perfectly. Now it's time to color my eyes. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline City Mini Palette Central Park Brights, and I'm going to take the transition shade and apply it all over my eyelid. It's time to smoke that eye, and for that I'm going to use Nykaa Eye Smokey Kajal in shade Black Smoke, and I'm first going to draw a thin line onto my upper lash line, and then I'm going to use the smudger to smudge that line. This time, instead of tricolor, I thought I'll do something different, something that I love about my country. India, the land of diversity, is a land of many languages. It's a multicultural nation. As diverse the country is, each state has own distinct language. So today, through my look, you'll get to see some of the beautiful languages of India. So in this look, I'm going to include some of my favorite words that are even in the Indian Constitution. So first word, obviously I'm going to use diversity, and I'm going to inscribe it in Malayalam. So diversity in Malayalam is Vaividyam. Malayalam is a Dravidian language spoken in the state of Kerala and the Union Territories of Pondicherry and Lakshadweep, and it's spoken by 34 million people worldwide. Next word I'm going to draw is faith, and I'm going to inscribe the word in Punjabi. Punjabi is an Indo-Aryan language spoken by the native of Punjab region and has 113 million native speakers. I am not at all sure how to pronounce the word, so if you are a Punjabi or from Punjab, please do let me know how to pronounce it. Our next word is beauty, which I'll write in Telugu and is pronounced as Andam. Telugu is the official language of Indian state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and has 82 million speakers. Our next word is love, and I'm going to describe it in Bangla because I know the translation of this word, that is Bhalobasha. Ami tumake bhalobashi. I love you all. Now it's time for our native language, that is Hindi, and I'm going to inscribe the word secular, that is dharmnirpeksh. Hindi is developed from Sanskrit and has more than 800 million speakers in India. Next is hope, and I will write it in Gujarati and is pronounced as Asha. It is estimated that it is spoken as a first language by 45.7 million people in India and primarily in the state of Gujarat. Next, I am inscribing the word justice, again in Malayalam, that is pronounced as Niti. Our last word that I will write is freedom in Odia, formerly known as Odia. It is mainly spoken in Odisha and Jharkhand and has about 35 million native speakers. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so please do let me know in the comment section how to pronounce this word in Odia. Now I am going to add a little more color onto my eyes. So I'm going to darken up the crease area and as well as the outer corner with black eyeshadow. Now I will cut the crease with the help of a concealer. I won't cut it all the way towards the outer corner. I will just top it in the mid. So I'm gonna do it and then we'll top it up with a beige eyeshadow. It's time to add on the drama to my eyes, and for that I am going to apply false eyelashes. I love false eyelashes and it just completes the whole look. Then I'm adding L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara to blend my lashes with the falsies. Next, I'll add on some color to my cheeks. For that, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in shade Pink. Any Indian traditional look isn't complete without a bindi, so I'm adding a white bindi to add that charm. And finally, I'm going to add the lipstick. For that, I'm using K-Beauty lip liner in shade Romance and I will apply it all over my lips. So yep guys, this is the final look. This is what I thought I'll create this year for Independence Day. Do let me know how it turned out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section if you do. Also, don't forget to check out ongoing Nykaa's Independence Day Sale. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.